Welcome to Pies Out of the House. Today I'm meeting Sam in Abergavenny. We're going to head to Brecon, meet a few more work colleagues, and then we're all heading over to Quay West Wales. It's November, so you might be thinking, what the hell are you doing that for in November? Well, it's meant to be about 15 degrees today, although it's actually quite cold, I think. So I've got my summer gear on, I got jeans and I got my hooded jacket, and I've only been riding for 20 minutes and I'm already a little bit chilly, so we're going to see how this one goes. But the ride should take, I think, from Abergavenny, we're looking about 2 hours to Quay, give or take. It's not going to be a hanging round job, I think. Eat, straight back home. A few of the boys want to watch the rugby. I got to be back myself for about 4 o'clock. It's 10:15 at the moment in the morning. So obviously it's the morning. It's not going to be 10:15 at night, is it? See, we've got another bridge over the River Usk. That's all you ever seem to see me doing in these videos, isn't it? Is going over bridges over the Usk. There we go. Abergavenny. God, traffic's slow today. A lot of people driving at 15, well, we're doing 20 miles an hour. Oh, it is a 20, there we are. That'll be why then. So I am at our rendezvous point. Well, I'm glad I just checked my phone, because turns out Sam has pushed on to Crickhowell. He needs to get some oil for his leaky bike, which has always got something wrong with it, as you know if you watch my other videos. I just caught up with this guy in front. Fair play, he's giving it some. I'm not sure I'd feel if I was a pillion passenger though. Well, I think I would. Because actually when I was young, my old man, Papa Pice, he is a bit mental, and I won't say what speeds he did, but let's just say he was a bit irresponsible. He used to have a fire blade, and you can imagine that thing used to pump out some speeds, and he'd have me on the back at the age of 12. In fact, I think I was as young as 10 when he started taking me out. He used to take me to football. I used to play football, and oh, it was terrifying. He put a grab rail on the back, because if I used to hold on to him, he used to worry that I'd fall off. And then with the grab rail, because he couldn't feel me, it's what he used to do was he'd accelerate, he'd have his silly little mad stint, and then he'd reach his hand around behind and tap to see if he could feel my leg, which is absolutely unbelievable. I often said to him, I said, if you did tap when I wasn't there, what are you planning on doing? Going back round to scrape me off the road? But he never really had an answer for that. He just laughed, so I don't know. Hey!
I saw you go sailing past.
I was thinking you went to the petrol garage.
No.
And then I read the message just then again, it said bike garage, so I thought, right, there we are. Nice bag.
Yeah, my brother gave it to me in Turkey.
I like it. How's the bike, alright?
Yeah, apart from the oil leak, which I still haven't fixed, but I think I'll be alright.
So we have arrived in Brecon. Woof, well, that's a noise. So there we are, we're out with two guys with Harleys. We got Toby on the GS 1200. We've got Ian with his GS 1200 in different colours. Sam on his DR 350, or now 450. So we've got a nice little mix here today. Let's go! My bike sounds like a little squirt compared to that, doesn't it? Another bridge over the River Usk. What? You want to zoom on? I think Sam just wants to go hooning off on the bikes and then let them catch us up after, which might not be a bad idea, because if I can get ahead I can stop then and get my waterproofs on because I'm cold. So me and Sam have basically said we're going to carry on. Oh lovely, sorry to interrupt, but the sun's come out. Oh nice, I'm freezing. And that way when we're ahead we can stop. I'm going to put my waterproofs on to warm up a bit, stop that wind getting through my trousers. Castle. Progress, Sam, progress. We've been caught up behind all these cars and this is a lovely section of road with winding roads and perfect for this bike. But you look around you, I mean, it's worth slowing down and taking it all in, isn't it? It's absolutely beautiful, stunning. This is what it's all about. Open road, sunny. It's a bit, well, I think it's dry. I don't know this road so well. They're not down here a lot. The Sam's probably wallowed straight around here. He does not give a monkeys. Oh yes, I love it. So we're in Llandovery. Looks absolutely lovely today, doesn't it? Look at it, beautiful. Here we go, it's me, a bit of sun on the bike and I'm talking nonsense again. Everywhere looks beautiful. Oh, where you going, mate? I have to say, Sam's bike is going well today. I'm struggling to keep up. That's in a straight line of course, I struggle to keep up otherwise anyway. I know I've said it before, but this is where I find the DRZ is a little bit weak. When you're riding in a straight line like that and you're trying to overtake, it just hasn't got that instant oomph, you know. Is this where we take a right? Yes, I thought so. So head towards Lampeter now. I came on holiday to Quay, I think it was just about a year and a half ago, and I rode this exact same route. And I remember saying to the missus, while all the kids are there, she actually got a bit car sick, which she never does. I mean, I guess if I was driving like I do on the bike, it's no wonder. But anyway, we came exactly this way, and I remember thinking like, oh, well, saying to her, I would love to do this ride on a bike. I should be on a bike here. I was stuck behind traffic and looking at where I would go and how I could accelerate. Some actually really kind, courteous people today that are sort of indicating and pulling over. Like quite often on a bike, you get people that sort of see you as a bit of a nuisance and they think, oh, there he is. He's being a clown, whatnot. But yeah, a lot of people have done that today. It's been very pleasant. We finally caught back up with this animal. We're entering Ceredigion. Lampeter, Pont Stefan, Lampeter. I used to work around these parts many years ago. I'm a bit warmer now, which is nice. That sun's on my back again. I haven't got the wind whistling through. I got vents in these gloves. They're new gloves, lovely gloves, Alpine Stars ones, but they're not great for the cooler weather. Like I say, it's not actually cold today anyway. If you're walking around, it's not too bad. But when you've got the wind whistling through your gloves, whistling through your jacket, and it's these jeans it is, I think I'm going to put the waterproofs on the way back. I did say I'd stop earlier, but my legs are freezing, my knees are gone stiff. What are you doing, Sam?
Huh?
What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Did we say we'd stop, did we?
Well, I don't know, I just might as well.
Okay.
Them already, is it?
No. You know, you're a fucking animal on that.
I'll tell you what, that tyre is lush. It makes it much quicker on the bend.
So we decided to press on from Lampeter. The others haven't arrived yet, so we thought we get to Newquay. Maybe we'll sneak our bag of chips in first, I don't know, but I need a pee. I wouldn't mind just getting there. And then when they arrive in, at least we've had a little break. If we need to head on and get back, we can, because it is now about 12:05. The red kite. Newquay this way. We almost took him out, didn't we? Hey! I'm going to let him go because there's too many leaves on the road for me. Gosoch. Gosoch. Oh, these roads are windy. I'm pretty sure I'm going to run out of fuel soon. If I do, it's an expensive old trip on a super unleaded, that's for sure. Look at it round here, woo! And look at that landscape, look at it. Royal Mail van, it's like Postman Pat, eh? From the 80s. That's not super, mind.
What?
That's not the super unleaded.
Is it?
No, it's not.
What does that mean?
Well, it's the cheaper stuff.
It's E10.
Huh? Yeah, that's the shit stuff.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, okay.
I'll just put anything in mine.
Oh, do you?
I was just wondering whether it was self-service. Maybe I'm thinking back to the 70s. Oh, I love that new tyre. That's so good.
It seems to work well for you.
Yeah, I'm loving it.
Almost didn't start. So here we are, Newquay. Go on, go up. Yeah, go left. Go down there and then left. Looks a bit different this time of year, that's for sure. I mean, I came in Easter and it's quite busy then, to be fair. I came right in the lockdown and everyone was obviously sat outside and the beer gardens were heaving. It was when they first opened up a little bit of the you know, let people start doing stuff distanced, and some of the pubs opened up and it was swarming. There we go, that's Newquay Harbour. Got the beach down there, and you got Quay West Holiday Park over there in the distance. That's a Haven caravan park. Just over there you can see all those caravans. But God, what a lovely day for it. I mean, we have had some atrocious weather the last week. Absolutely howling. To come here on a day like this is, well, you couldn't ask for more really in November, could you? We go down our way a bit, I reckon. Or do you want to go down there? Oh no. I can't see because my bloody GoPro's in the way. I'm not leaving my helmet here.
Yeah, mine's only worth 40 quid.
Oh, my helmet I'm not worried about, it's the thing attached to it. Oh, I get too old for this.
Here they are.
Lovely. You filming me, filming you?
Knowing me, knowing you. Aha!
Here we are. We've made it to Newquay. Say hi, Simon.
Alright. Alright.
And now, I'm going to go get some fish and chips. What's this place called?
Newquay.
Small sausage and batter and chips. Cod and chips. Lovely jubbly. Enjoy. What do you have, Ian?
Oh, jumbo sausage and chips. Very good.
Captain's Rendezvous. That is where we had a lovely little bag of chips. Very nice. There they are, a little debrief. There's a harbour. We didn't stay long. Only a flying visit. Back to the bikes. Show you the bikes now. That one's with us. That one's with us. The Lex Moto isn't. And there's Sam's and there's mine.